Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make slip knot and chain stitch, and I hope to admire you. That is lesson 1 of learning crochet stitches series, and I will make lessons for all stitches in crochet. I hope to be useful for you. First I will make a slip knot. I will hold yarn and crochet hook, then turn your yarn around your thumbnail to make a ring, then grab your yarn through it as shown in video. Then we will make chains for start any project we need. You will grab the yarn with your hook and you are going to pull that through the loop that's on your hook, and make chains with numbers you need to make your project. I hope I can explain a slip knot and chain stitch with a simple method, and thanks for watching.